welcome back. We got one tray here to undo, and we're gonna see if these are okay to take out because felt a little gooey, but we're gonna see. Coming around, not changing angles because you guys are probably like, what, another one? Yes, another one. I gotta get this out. This new mold is literally everything for me. Like, it's so smooth, and look at that. Seamless. Seamless. Yes. Okay, so we got a pink mold here. We're going to put some burn tray stuff in there, similar to this one, but not the same. And we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna post include pictures at the end so y'all see what it looks like. And then put that there. This one now, yeah, that feels fine. Okay, obviously I have some extras that are going to, oh, this looks cute. This was really clean. Oh wait, I lied. The edge is kind of sticky here because we had extra resin from something else. But other than that, this was probably the most perfect incense holder I've made in a while. It's a little bendy, but it's a little pink and blue joint or whatever, you know. Is this blue one ready to come out? It's giving real bendy, but there's no one else it could fit, so. Oh yeah, this is real bendy. Ooh. Yeah, this. Like, what? Like, what is this? Oh my gosh. But on the plus side, it's not, it doesn't feel gooey. Like, it's not slimy or anything, but this is hilarious. Like, how am I supposed to take this seriously? This is what happens when you don't measure. What did I make that was this color? I don't even know what I made that was this color. What did I make? Did I make something recently? I don't even know. Let me come around though. But this one I'm saving for later because I obviously am not finished with it. But that even feels more, what you call it, than this. This is crazy business. Crazy. All right, let me get this out of the way because that's done. That is that. That's crazy though. Like, what? Okay. So we got this and these. This is really pretty though. Like, it's super pretty. Like, see? It's all the phases of the moon. What did I make? What the hell did I make that was this color? I'm gonna have to look at all the things I've made recently because that's floppy. And if that's floppy like that, then something else is out there floppy, and that's not good. No bueno. Okay, so we got this, and we're gonna put our ransom letters in there, and let's make something happen. But yeah, essentially it'll be something like that with some cute little additives from the movie, and we'll be good. But yeah, just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. I know that was real dry. I'm sorry, but I'm tired. Bye.